Hi all, welcome to Programmers Divine. This section is Little Talk. We are going to see about vectors in R programming. So vectors in R programming is mainly used in data science part. So a vector is a list of items which will be of the same type. Like for example, if you are already using this JavaScript kind of things, you can hear about arrays. So that kind of thing is list. That kind of thing is vector here. So it will contain the same type of elements present in a list format. So to combine the list of these items, we can use the C function and separate the items by comma. So there is an example. So we can create a vector variable called fruit. So for the fruits, we need to store list of strings. So banana, apple, orange, those are strings. Those strings we are adding in the fruits vector. So when we print the fruits vector, we can get banana, apple, and orange. We can also save numerical values in a sequence in vector. Like 1 to 10 means the numbers from 1 to 10 will be stored in the numbers vector. So we can access the numbers. Also we can use to store numerical values like directly like C of 1 comma 2 comma 3. So it will store that one. When we are using the sequences, we have to use the colon function, and there is no need for C function there. When we are storing numerical values or strings separately, then we need the C function. So in a vector, we can numerically store decimal values also. That is also can be sequentially generated. For example, 1.5 to 6.5, which will store 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, and 6.5. So we can also store numerical decimals in a sequence where the last element is not used. So that also possible here. So we can give like 1.5 to 6.3 means it will come up to 5.5 only. So likewise, it is very helpful vector manipulation. So we can do various manipulations in vectors. So we can find the length of the vectors through length function, and we can sort it using the sort functions, and we can access an item from the list using its index number, and we can also use repeat functionalities to repeat the vectors, and we can also generate sequenced vectors. So all of these things are possible in vector manipulation. So I have given few examples also. Please go through this one. So fruits 1 of pear means that item pear will be stored in the fruits of 1. Instead of the fruits of one item, it will be removed and it will get the pear as a new item. So we can, in the repeat each, we can see repeating the number. See how many times we can give that number in the each time. So like this, many useful functionalities are there. It is very useful in data science when we are manipulating same type of elements, same type of items to be stored in a single entry. We can use these vectors. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Divine. Please subscribe my channel.